I'm Joshua McKinney with your Wake Tech News Update. Career and technical education took center stage as North Carolina Governor Josh Stein visited the Hendrick Center for Automotive Excellence at the Scott Northern Wake campus. Stein and Lieutenant Governor Rachel Hunt toured the state-of-the-art facility and signed a proclamation designating February as Career and Technical Education Month. With career and technical education in mind, did you know Wake Tech serves nearly 50,000 students in career programs that prepare them for immediate employment in high-demand areas such as advanced manufacturing, biotechnology, healthcare, and transportation. The college also partners with more than 150 local employers to offer apprenticeship opportunities where students gain valuable on-the-job training. Wake Tech is celebrating more growth at its forward-thinking Wake Tech East location. The final steel beam was placed atop the state-of-the-art Advanced Technology Center in January. When completed, the Advanced Technology Center will be a hub for the college's programs and partnerships to support advanced manufacturing. Wake Tech students now have a convenient transportation option for getting to class at Wake Tech East. Raleigh's public bus transit service, Go Raleigh, launched a realigned route that now serves the college and eastern Wake County. Wake Tech students, faculty, and staff enjoy free fare riding on all Go Raleigh and Go Triangle buses. In addition to Wake Tech East, Go Raleigh buses also serve the college's Scott Northern Wake campus, Southern Wake campus, Perry Health Sciences, and Public Safety Education campuses, as well as the Beltline Education Center. And finally, Wake Tech is excited to announce its participation in the North Carolina Community College System's Boost program, a new workforce development initiative that is designed to help students complete their degrees sooner. Wake Tech is one of 15 North Carolina community colleges joining the innovative program that centers on accelerating student progress through college and into high-wage, in-demand careers in the workforce. And that's your Wake Tech News Update.